guessing the idea is that they're taking anvils from different countries and they're seeing which survives the hydraulic press. So, this will be more fun. 31 boop. China. India? Oh boy. Russia? Okay. Mini anvils? Okay, so these aren't full scale. Because Odin has a full scale anvil. Oh, wow, those are really, really tiny. Okay. What the hell are these for? Yeah, these are handheld anvils. Odin has like one that's the size, like lengthwise, roughly the size of like your keyboard, your average keyboard. He's got a couple of them actually. These are tiny compared to that. I just have mini anvils from different countries. Yeah, those are paperweights apparently. Jesus. Anything like that from Russia? Did you really? Some of the times you learn, but they tend to not be anvil shaped. Yeah, I don't know. Different hardness test. Okay. A nail. Okay. Okay, so he's gonna try and see if he can pierce it. Oh, nails bending instantly. Yeah, the era that anvils were made in the United States, you don't want to underestimate the craftsmanship. Yeah, you could leave a tiny dent, but that wasn't gonna go anywhere. Well, they have a decent hardness, although it does look like they managed to get a little bit of a thing there. Oh, actually, no. China has actually better hardness there. Interesting. Oh, those scratches, yeah. The nail's obviously not gonna... Oh, God, that is going in. That is going in. That has penetrated the anvil. Oh, it's going right through. Yeah, that's going right through. Shut up, oh my gosh. Oh yeah, that's in there good. Until 70s will also be strong as obsidian. Yeah, I can tell you for a fact, like from experience even. American goods from the 70s to like 1800s, top notch. Some of the stuff that's worn out by now, probably not so much, but there's a lot of stuff that's still good and still working. Jesus. Yeah, Russia's got it good too. Yeah, America barely had a dent in there. Kind of had like nothing, and then for India, they just had none. Yeah. This little tiny dent, yeah. You might be able to scrape some paint off on the American side. Oh gosh, what the hell is the Indian one made out of? It looks like it's made out of graphite almost. Like, what the hell is that? Indians are made on hopes and dreams, damn. Oh, now we're actually pressing the damn thing. Okay. He's not even putting... He's barely putting any pressure on it yet. Okay, there we go. Oh, you guys can't see it. Hang on. You guys can't see the gauge. I'm gonna move you guys over here. 60 tons. China... Oh! Oh, wow, that just... that was good until it wasn't. Holy crap. Yeah, it got split in half. It's interesting that it failed there, though. Is anyone raw iron? It's grains, so it could just be shot at grading. It could be a bad job, yeah. It bends for snips. Yeah, I couldn't see it at the first angle. This one's too wide. I don't think it'll snap like that. I think it would probably end up, at best, maybe getting crushed. A little bit. Oh! Actually, no, it can't. It's hard stuck at 45. Oh, there it goes. 70. 80. Wow. Russia just fucking tanked that shit. I don't think it even got any dents in there at all. Holy crap. Tell my brother that I was the only child. Okay, this is the Indian one, right? Hold on, I'm going back a little bit. Yeah, India. The Soviet Russian India press hydraulic. Yeah, they do. India should fund the gas. Stalium steel? Yeah, really. Okay, we're at up to 40. Oh, there it goes. It's failing in the middle. 40 tons, it's failing. Okay, we're speeding up just to see how much we can squish it down. It didn't snap. It didn't snap, but it's a very soft anvil. Yeah. You need about to fold like an accordion, yeah. Then it's not even snapping, it's just crumbling. Yeah. Alright, here we go. Good old USA. I would not expect this one to break either. Or if it does, it might break at one of the legs. Yeah, it tanked that shit too. Yeah, American steel back during its time was really good. I'm gonna be honest, China surprised me. Like, thought it was gonna be okay, and it wasn't. Yeah, okay, so they actually measured it before and after. Yeah, so it only lost maybe 5 millimeters. That's pretty good, actually. Fuck yeah, yeah, America, yeah. Oh my god, the American one didn't even shrink at all. That's crazy. Yeah, it didn't shrink at all. Holy crap. 485 after. Yeah, I mean, it's in half. What did you expect? Yeah, that one lost 12 millimeters. 510. Oh, he's got a bunch of these, I guess. All right. They're putting him on the bigger press. All right, let's go. Oh, wow. Oh, yeah, I don't think it... Oh, yeah, that one started smushing and splitting apart. Holy crap. Wow. I was thinking that might be because of the bend underneath. Yeah. They slimed that animal. Yeah, that... I think this is a strength that I don't even think the American one could survive this one. 5 times the force, yeah. I think that's also why they're not showing the PSI either. Because I figured it doesn't matter. Very little survives it. Alright. Salute. I am biased, yes. Yep, there go the legs. Absolute yeah, energy, yeah. Amazingly enough, it doesn't look like it shrank that much. Yeah, okay, it did shrink quite a bit. It just didn't look like it at first. Oh, okay, so he had extras. These are fresh ones that he's been putting in. Yeah, this one's going to absolutely get flattened. Like, there's no way it survives this. Yeah, that's a pancake. Yep. Rip. Yep, that's a pancake. It looks like ice cream melting. Yeah, really. The metal is way softer than you would think it would be. Wait, they didn't do the China one? What the hell happened? Is it just because it broke? Huh. I mean, the legs kind of crushed, but they stayed together mostly. It certainly held up better than the others, I think. For sure. Yeah, it absolutely held up better than the Russian one. Harbor Freight Anvils, hi, Odin. Yeah, I don't know what they... Yeah, I don't know. I'm not one for the hydraulic press stuff, but I thought it would be fun just because I happened to see it. I think they were just paperweights. It turns out that the old-fashioned good old US of A did a great job. They skipped the Chinese with fear that it would blow up instead of shrapnel. Oh, okay, that's a real... Okay. That's a good point, actually. Is this... like a plastic or what it was in the middle? Oh. Okay, interesting. I like how a coconut in the Hundred of Fairs. Oh. Yeah. Okay, that makes sense. I kind of want the pancake anvil teas. Honestly, I'm just... I guess I'm just kind of... Part of me just wishes we could make shit like that again. As far as, like, the old anvils and the strength that they offered. I don't think we'll ever have that again, though. A good anvil would break the press, probably. I was telling them a little bit about your anvil, Odin. The forbidden pancake, yeah. Imagine Frizz being the pancake anvil. Yeah, good luck with that.